common question. So again, I will be reading it in English and in Filipino. The question is, the city of San Pedro proudly celebrates the Sampaguita Festival every year. The Sampaguita flower is a symbol of honor, respect, gratitude, and love that we offer to saints and to people who have made a meaningful impact in our lives. 50 years from now, aside from your family and the saints, to whom would you offer a Sampaguita and why? In Filipino, ipinagdiriwang ng lungsod ng San Pedro taon-taon ang Sampaguita Festival. Ang bulaklak na Sampaguita ay simbolo ng paggalang, pasasalamat at pagmamahal at pagbibigay-pugay na inaalay natin sa mga santo at sa mga taong may malaking ambag sa ating buhay. 50 taon mula ngayon, bukod sa iyong pamilya at sa mga santo, kanino mo iaalay ang isang Sampaguita at bakit?
Thank you for that question. As I stand here today, I have come different and several difficulties in my journeys. And in every journey that I step in, I always firmly stand in my same masining na pakikibaka. And in this way, I always do my best to inspire my fellow youth. So if I were to give Sampaguita in the next 50 years, it will be the next generation of the youth that I inspire today. Because I believe the impact that I created today is the change that we will have tomorrow. And as I embody Al-Hambini, I embody someone who knows how to speak up. I embody someone who knows how to stand up. And most importantly, I embody someone who cares for the future. Thank you.